Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So if you haven't noticed, we have a lot of ingredients in front of us today. We're going to be doing some batch juicing. I'm getting ready to go on vacation and I know I'm going to indulge, eat good, probably eat some things I shouldn't. So I want to make sure that I can come home to some fresh juice and have a little bit of a reset and detox moment. So today we will be juicing beets, apples, oranges, pineapple, kale, cucumber, pomegranate, lemon, and ginger. So we'll be making 3 different recipes today. We're going to start out making my absolute favorite immunity juice. We'll be using pineapple, oranges, lemon, and ginger. After that, we'll go ahead and make our green juice, which will be kale, cucumber, pineapple, lemon, and ginger. And finally, we'll be making a juice that's great for energy and for detoxing. We'll be juicing beets, apples, pomegranate, and ginger. You guys know how much I love ginger. As you can tell, it's in every recipe that we're making today. So make sure that you're following along because these are some really good juices for you to try. And let's go ahead and get into it. So today we'll be using our Namaste 2. If you haven't noticed, it looks a little bit different. We are using the large hopper as well as the large pitcher and pulp container. Nama was kind enough to send this over for us to use. I guess they realized that I do a lot of batch juicing too, so they sent over the perfect batch juicing combination for us to try out. So not only do we have this huge pitcher, it tells us how much juice we can get within it on the side, and it comes with its own strainer, which I think is really cool. And with all of that, of course, you know we have to have something to store it in. So we have some juice bottles as well. So thank you so much to the team over at Nama for sending this perfect batch juicing set for us. All right, so since batch juicing can be time consuming, I went ahead and prepped all of my ingredients. So everything is all ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started with our first juice. So the first juice we're going to start with today is the immunity juice. We'll be using oranges, mandarin oranges, pineapple, some lemon, and then some ginger. I'm gonna start with just a little bit of ginger and then I'll add in more later. But since we are using the large hopper, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. This fit a lot of ingredients. Pretty much all of the oranges are gone. There's a good bit of pineapple that's gone. I guess I can throw in another lemon. And I still have some room in here. So this is going to make our batch juicing session today a breeze. All right, so the chamber is full now, so let's go ahead and release this first set of juice. The hopper still has a good bit of ingredients in it, but this went by pretty quickly. Now let's go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients and finish juicing. The rest of the pineapple is going to be for our green juice, so I'm just going to leave it there for now. Almost forgot. Okay, so now that our immunity juice is all done, we're just going to take the juicer, turn it on the side, and get all of that juice out. this is crazy. This is how much pulp came out of the juice. Barely anything. All right, so let's go ahead and bottle up this juice and move on to the next one. Our first juice, this bottle is a 17-ounce bottle. So we have 17 ounces of juice, and we still have a lot more in our pitcher. We have almost 1,000 milliliters left. So I'm gonna bottle the rest of it up, and then we'll start making our green juice. Okay, in case you were wondering why I didn't fill it all the way to the top, I do plan on freezing this juice. So when you're freezing your juices, you want to make sure you leave some space at the top for expansion so that you don't break your glasses. All right, so now on to our green juice. This is my absolute favorite green juice recipe. It's kale, cucumber, pineapple, lemon, and ginger, and it is so good. It's perfect for inflammation, digestion, and if you're looking for a good, quick detox, this is the one. So let's go ahead and get into it. When you're juicing greens, leafy greens especially, you want to make sure that you put them in first. So we're going to start with our kale on the bottom. I'm gonna put a good amount of kale in, and then we're gonna go in with some cucumber. And then I'll layer on some of our pineapple. Add in some lemon. And then let's break off about, if I can break it. I don't want to do that much. So let's do, I might need to phone a friend. Friend, can you break this, or should I just cut it? I'll just break it. It's breaking now. Okay, so I pretty much just put in like maybe half of a fingerling of ginger. And then one thing that I love about juicing with my Namaje-2 is hands-free. You can walk away, or you can just add in more ingredients while it's still going. So that's what I'm going to do, just to move the process along a little bit. All right, so now we got to get our lovely juice pour. All right, so let's go ahead and finish juicing all of our ingredients. All right, so now that all of our green juice ingredients are done, we are going to use our little spatula and push the extra juice out. This is so cool that it comes with this. We're just going to scrape it across and get all of that extra juice out. And as you can see, we got a whole lot more juice than we did with our last one. This is crazy. We literally have almost 2.5 liters of juice. That is insane. Let's go ahead and bottle this up and move on to our last juice. All right, so now we're on our third and final juice, which is pomegranates, beets, apples, and ginger. So let's go ahead and finish this off. I'm gonna add in the pomegranates first. I'm just gonna pour them in. And then we'll add in some of our beets. Of course I dropped something. I think everything can actually go in the first time with this one. Yeah, so let's just pour everything in. And then I'll add in about this much ginger. All right, so our beet juice is all done. So let's go ahead and pour it up. All right, so now that all of our juices are done, let's go ahead and do a little taste test. We're gonna start with our beet juice. Cheers. So good, as always. Now let's try our green juice. I think there's one. Is there one that has less? Let's do this one because it has a little bit less. Cheers. I think this one's my favorite. It's so refreshing. You can taste literally all of the ingredients blended together. So good. Okay, and our last one. This one is a crowd favorite. This is the immunity juice, which I probably should drink this whole thing since I am traveling out of the country, just to be on the safe side. That's so good. And I put the perfect amount of ginger. I can feel the spice. All right, that is it. We've tasted all of our juices. I hope you guys try these recipes. Let me know down in the comments if you do try them, which one is your favorite. All right, guys, so that is it for today's batch juicing session. Now that I have all of these juices prepped, I know that I'm going to be able to enjoy my vacation. I can come back because I know my detox is sitting right here waiting for me. So all in all, we ended up with 11 juices. We have 4 of our 17-ounce bottles from Nama, as well as 7 of our 16-ounce mason jars. So that is my little juicing haul for today. I hope that you guys found this video easy to follow along with, a little educational. Hopefully you found a new recipe that you're willing to try out. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on socials, and I will see you guys in the next one. It might be a little vacation vlog, so stay tuned. Bye.